So you're going to open your hood and you pull the lever and you hear the click and you go to grab the hood and nothing happens. It's still stuck. What do? So what you want to do is you want to have a partner be pulling on the lever. As you're pulling on the lever, take the soft part of your palm and just tap gently on the hood. You don't want to damage the hood, but if you do it gently, it may release, just like that. And you can open the hood. And there you go. A lot of times these latches need some lubrication. Lubricate the latches. If they're really rusty, then you should probably replace them or use some rust penetrant on them. So spray that. This one has one. This has 2 latches on this vehicle. Wipe some excess away. And then the reason why they stick a lot of times is these bumpers right here, these rubber bumpers, they stick. So you just take some of that lubrication, wipe them down, and then the spot wherever they hit on the vehicle, which is right here, and also this one hits right here. So wipe that away. So as long as you keep that clean, it shouldn't stick. There's a little bumper right there as well. And you can also lubricate this latch. That's the release. That's the safety release. Let's give it a try. And there we go. All fixed.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.